Hi, Jack. You got some food, huh?
Winter squash. See if Jack likes his winter squash. Is that tasty? Yeah? Mmm. Mmm. You gonna share with Daddy? Yeah. Mmm. Yummy, huh? My doctor says I can eat adult foods now. Don't know.
The hands taste as good as the food.
Sometimes he doesn't do the hands. Sometimes he actually will not put the hands in the mouth. He'll just sit with them out like this the whole time. Yeah! Gets better with each bite, huh? Then you get distracted. Okay, let's show them how good you drink. And then we'll bin that for the picture we can eat the rest. Watch this. This is Jack's favorite thing. Tilt back. Don't get distracted. Tilt back. There we go. Oh yeah. Gulp, gulp. Am I distracting you?
You're making strange noises.